Hi, I'm Bob Jeffries, and I'm a family law attorney in Virginia Beach. I want to talk to you today about child custody cases and guardians ad litem. You probably know that in a child custody case, the judge decides where the child is going to live primarily and what visitation they're going to have with the other parent. In the juvenile and domestic relations courts, the judge will almost always appoint a guardian ad litem in such cases. The guardian ad litem is just a lawyer, and they're told that they should investigate the case, form an opinion as to what's best for the child, and then argue for that. The ultimate decision still rests with the judge, but the guardian ad litem certainly can be influential. So it's extremely important to try to win the guardian ad litem over to your point of view. And there are a couple of ways to do that. The first is simply to be pulled together and make a good initial impression. The more organized and cooperative you are, the more the guardian ad litem is going to like you. Just as with the judge, it's a mistake to complain too much about the other parent to the guardian ad litem unless you have really serious issues with them. Similarly, if you're the custodial parent, you want to be reasonable about allowing them visitation. If you're overly restrictive with the other parent's visitation, that can hurt you. You want to overall seem to be the more reasonable of the two parents. That always is in your favor. But the most important thing is to be the first to get your story across to the guardian ad litem. I've seen it happen over and over again where one party gets in there, completely sells the guardian ad litem on their version of history, and then it becomes extremely difficult to undo that. Now, it may not be possible to actually speak with them face to face at the very beginning, so what I tell people is give them something in writing that has your version of how things have gone on so that they can get that at the outset. Even if the other person is the first to speak with them, that written explanation may kind of inoculate you from them getting completely carried away with believing what the other person has to say. I'm Bob Jeffries. Please stay tuned for the disclaimer.